Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just gonna play like some Fortnite, but I did fix the fan noise in the background, so you guys will not be hearing that anymore. So, at the end of this video, for any content creators that still have this fan noise, I will help you and I will show you how to fix this at the end of the video. Alright, we're just gonna do like a little bit of free building and stuff, and after we're just gonna hop into a game of reload. Let me change everything into French for you. Nah, English, yeah. By the way, if you hear like screaming or laughing in the background, it's because I got guests over. So, and my brother's not here right now to scream a lot, so we're good. And I will show you guys like how to do this, like to remove the fan noise. And if I forget, just say in the comments because yeah, I will check almost every time. Ooh. What ping do I got? Dang. 17. Go down, go down, go down. Yes. No, man. I fell. Reset. And by the way, if you guys want the map code, it's right here. But how do I... Oh. Forgot I changed my binds. And by the way, guys, do not worry. I did not copy any setting. Except my sensibility, of course. Did I say that right? Sensibility. Nah, it's sensitive. Sensitive. No, just cut it. No. I'll keep that in the video because it makes it funny. Did I really just say video? Am I done? Alright, I'm just gonna change my skin. Because, yeah, I'm stupid. I don't got that many skins, guys. Roast me in the comments, I will not care. Yeah. Just checking something. Yep, perfect. That's definitely family friendly. Definitely family friendly. Let me check. Nice. What the? Do I make a wall invisible or no? What happened to my ping? I just got exposed. I suck for high ping. If people do not know this, like, on controller, like, when you have, like, high ping, it's better than being on mouse and keyboard, because, yeah, I don't know why. Alright, we're just gonna go into a ranked reload match, so let's go. Damn, bro, I don't really know what's laughing about over there. Should I check later or no? Yeah, I should. I'll play one round now, end off this video with how to turn off the fan noise. Dude, is my PC running at 50 degrees or something? Cause let's get ready. Let's get ready. Let's go. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Can this thing hurry up? Man, how many people stopped this game? Do you think I should change this? Yeah, I should probably change this. This is like old as hell. This older than me, bro. No, I'm kidding. Age reveal. If you want me to do an age reveal, Just say in the comments. Put 1 in the comments if you want me to put an age reveal, and put 2 in the comments if you don't want me to. Yo. Yeah, I can put. Yeah, give me that. Go here. Oh my god, I just lagged. Yeah. I can play that game too. You missed. Oh my god, so bad. You're freer than the fish. Oh my god. No! I didn't do anything, I promise. Alright, we're gonna be going to Tilted, if you know what I'm saying. Now I'm gonna be going on my tower, like usual. And I think I'm gonna die this round because like I'm lagging a lot. I'm having like a lot of lag spikes. Sheesh, red looks really nice right now, bro. Yeah, see, like, look at the lag spike. Oh no, I missed my tower. I'm probably dead by now, but I should probably die in like a few minutes. So. Cut the chase. Cut the chase. No one's on my tower. Nice. No one's on my tower. Alright. Take the resources. Take the medkit. Go down. Go down once again. And go down here. Take that. Do that. It sucks. Yep. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that, but I'll get somewhere safe first. Okay. Catch myself. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yo. Oh my god. That's legendary, bro. If I don't get a pump, I swear I'm gonna scream. Oh, lucky. Watch. Smart ass move. And there you go. Nah. I won't take it. I already got one. I don't got like that much max, so do you think I should farm before trying to go kill people? Yeah, I should probably farm. Oh, flip, there's a crown. Nah, dude, I can't join right now. I'm making a video. No. Alright, so one thing that there is to do in this game is when you're in solo versus duos, it's called camping. You know, bush camp dad and stuff. Yep, that exactly like him. But nah, I'm not gonna do that because I'm built different, if you know what I'm saying. Alright. Open sesame. Are you serious right now, bro? Not too bad. I already got a pump. Man, I like this pump better because, yeah, why not? No, man! I literally just saw him get cracked. Yeah! I got him. I'm built different. Should I try it again? Nah. Now. No, man. Go this way. We need to get high ground, if you know what I'm saying. You gotta get high ground in these situations. You gotta get high ground, yeah. If my voice shifts, I don't know why, but I don't know. The bro really thought I would fall for that. Peekaboo! Peekaboo. Who just shot at me? Uh-oh. We're gonna play peekaboo again, if you want me to do that. Oh, little Timmy wants to play peekaboo. This poor little boy. Oh my god, it's a tryhard. It's a sweat, man. I'm fucking dead. I'm lagging. Oh no. I'm dead. I'm dead. No, man. I forgot my binds, dude. I don't remember my binds, dude. The magnesium. The magnesium. Please, man. Leave me be. Where are you? It's good. No! No, man! No! Fuck it. Well, that's a match. I mean, I did play peekaboo. I did mark them. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious? Whose face? Alright. We're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you guys, for any content creators that does not know how to remove this. How to remove it. Listen. You click here. You go to filters. And you go to noise gate and noise suppression. Okay? You click here and you have to add that. So let me show you what it is. Noise gate and noise suppression. So look, if I remove that, move. Yeah. So look. Listen. Horrible. That's just horrible. So if you add that noise suppression, click, and it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's out of here. What if you remove this one? Nothing happens. Nothing at all happens. Okay, so I just made a mistake on that. I don't know why I put that on, but it's alright. That's gonna be it for today. Bye!